Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you real quick how you can easily write prompts in Midjourney Discord. So it's very simple guys, go over to your Midjourney server, then go over to direct messages, then Midjourney bot, and then type /imagine, then space, and it will, as you can see, there you can write your prompt. So let's say bird in space epic scene planets and stars realistic --AR, which stands for aspect ratio 16:9. So it will be like my monitor. So this is how you write prompt in Midjourney. Then simply press enter. And as you can see, it will work on your art. So we can wait. And as you can see, it has generated these beautiful images for me, and I can select which one I want to upscale and make full version out of. So let's say I like this one. So let's click upscale second image, and I will wait again to upscale. And now, as you can see guys, it is done. And look how beautiful and realistic and precise, detailed it looks. So that's really insane. AI has come a long way in the past years, as you can see. That's pretty sick. So guys, this is how you write prompts in Midjourney. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more tutorials like this one, just write me down in the comments what you like and what you don't like and what you want to see next. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.